Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain calls. Got beans down 5 cents at $13.94 on the July. Deep November's down 4 at $12.34. We've seen the July and November soybean spread break to 2-week lows. In the corn, July is down 6 at $6.06, and Dees is down 4 at $5.46. And of late, we've seen the July Dees corn spread drop 17 cents. Chicago wheat's down 5 cents. Outside markets, stocks are going to open up a little bit higher on Fed comment day. Dollar's lower, crude's a little bit higher, gold is also a little bit higher. I think over the last few days, we've been trading the markets based on the EU weather model. Some people think today that model is a little bit wetter, maybe for parts of western Nebraska and maybe southern South Dakota. But the area of like Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana still looks mostly dry. So anytime these computers here that a forecast is a little wetter, we take weather premium out of the marketplace. Just like if we walk in Monday and there's no rain, we probably will trade higher. When we look at the charts, July beans basically trading down from the February highs to the recent low on the last day of May. We staged a rally up to this $14 level, which is the 50-day moving average. So if we're going to move higher, we have to have a weather problem. Brazil soybean export premiums continue to decline, which may reduce the amount of soybeans we sell as long as Brazil has supply. The fact that China might have a stimulus package is helping some commodity prices, but we have to still see if this is an infusion to the economy or just a band-aid on a hemorrhage. If we look at the July corn, again, somewhat of a similar pattern, although corn had made its highs back in October of 2022. The recent low was again May 18th. We've rounded over the 20 and 50-day moving average. We're now at the 100-day moving average, and again, in order to take out the recent April highs, we're going to need to see drier weather. Over in the wheat market, Chicago wheat, again a downtrend from this high back in May of 2022 to a recent low in the last day of May. We tried to stage a rally over the 20-day moving average, but again, Russian export prices are lower and offers resistance to the marketplace, where EU is also exporting record amount of wheat, which also offers resistance to our marketplace. Looks like we'll be watching the southern plains as rain slow harvest there, and up in the Canada area, it looks like their weather's going to get better.